Imagine being part of a transformative journey where faith, leadership, and communication intertwine to create a lasting impact. That's the story of my leadership journey, which began in the parish youth ministry, a modest setting brimming with potential. For nearly a decade, I embraced various leadership roles, shaping my evolving approach to leadership. As a parish youth coordinator, I had the privilege of engaging with young minds in archdiocesan level activities, leaving no stone unturned in their quest for growth and empowerment. But my leadership went beyond just disseminating information. I was passionate about creating inclusive environments where every voice was heard, concerns were addressed, and ideas flourished. Fired up by this belief, I continued my journey as a public communicator and a servant of the people at DSWD, witnessing firsthand the incredible impact of robust communication strategies within vulnerable communities. My advocacy knows no bounds. I am dedicated to empowering the most vulnerable groups, ensuring their voices are not merely heard, but embraced. Through innovative digital platforms and tailored creative workshops, I strive to bridge the communication gap and uplift these groups, enabling them to actively contribute to their own development. In this era of rapid change, innovation is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity, and I believe in leading the charge. As a member of influential organizations like the Mindanao Communicators Network and being the president of the Public Administration Association Incorporated, I challenge traditional strategies. By leveraging technology and unconventional approaches, I make communication more accessible and impactful for the communities and vulnerable groups I serve. But let's be clear, communication is not just a tool, it is the catalyst for change. And I'm on a mission to create communities where communication is not a mere transaction, but a shared experience that uplifts and empowers. Let's join forces as innovators for change, and together we can forge a future where strategic communication lies at the heart of every development initiative. No voice left unheard, no community left behind. I am Ivan Eric C. Salvador,